how you guys doing? My name is Tremaine, and today we're going to be going over the third step in my 5-step framework. Now this third step is probably the easiest step in this whole 5-step framework, and it's called the Great Search. Now once we put everything together, you look professional, you look trustworthy, you want to make a good decision on who you actually want to build a relationship with and get funded, right? Because there's many different banks and credit unions, and some of them may not be for you, right? So you want to make sure you're searching and seeing which ones are for you, right? So the first step when you're doing this is actually Googling banks near me, credit unions near me, and pretty much going to their websites and seeing what different business programs they have, what different business loans they have, what different business credit lines they have, right? Which is separate from personal, right? You want to make sure you guys understand that, right? So you want to see what different programs they have and, you know, see the terms of the program. Some of them have 0% interest, some of them don't. And I recommend the 0% interest, right? 0% interest for like 12 months, some of them is 6 months, 20 months. And you want to take note of that and make the decision, is this something I want to work with, right? And then you're going to call them and ask them what is needed to actually apply, you know what I'm saying, for these types of credit lines. Do you need to be in business for a certain amount of time? Do you guys work with new businesses and things like that? And you know, that's pretty much it, right? When you're trying to see what business, what banks and credit unions are out there for your type of business, right? So that's pretty much it for the Great Search. So I appreciate you guys for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next video.